Hey, welcome to the channel. I'm Edgy Blades, and what I have for you today is a great find I found on Amazon. This is the Guardian Eagle, the only one that I think they have right now under this line. It's very new, but I got this for an amazing deal for 14 bucks on Amazon. Now, that was a sale, but right now this is only $20.90. You've got overall 7.5 inches knife here. The blade is 3.2 inches of a great satin and hollow ground D2 steel. Of course, with the HRC, they say rated at 58 to 60, which is very nice, but it's a beautiful knife. And again, I am blown away by the quality that you're getting here. I mean, this is really, really well done. And let me just say, oh yeah, this here is the Green G10, which they call the anti-slip G10, and you can really feel it too. Pretty smooth if you go along this way, but you really are getting some great traction there with the grip. And the jimping on this, it just marries your thumb right to the blade for really, really great contact and so forth. I've been using this on my wrapping paper for just slicing along through, no problem, for presents and so forth. But it's just this blade shape. It kind of comes down at a kind of like a worn, kind of like the way it just crowns down. And this is a nice crowned blade from this point here. It's very well done. Some nice reinforcing there, but beautiful, beautiful satin finish on it. Plenty of access for the liner for getting right to it, and perfectly centered right there on the lock bar for the liner. They do all say that this is ambidextrous, but as you can see, it is for righties only, but that's not a problem. It's definitely on ceramic ball bearings, even though it's not advertised as such. You can just tell because it's so smooth. They give you great jimping on the flipper, which works just fine. You can also use the thumb hole. Let's see if I can reverse flick it. I can, but my hand just got in the way. Let's see. Yeah, not a problem. It's just so smooth. Let's see how drop shutty it is. Getting past the D10 ball. Yep, there it goes. Yeah, you got this nice out of the way area for if you want to use it for a lanyard or for some damage control. I don't know. It's got the open pillar there construction, and yeah, this is a nice one. Again, the handle on this one here is 4.2 inches, and it's only a 1/2 inch thick. And as you can see, it's got the steel liners and so forth right there for extra strength. The clip goes at the cant, so it just fits nicely in the pocket. And very, very comfortable for reverse grip, if that's what you like. And it is screaming sharp. It is so sharp. I'm just blown away by it. It comes at such a thin edge. They're saying 0.12 for the cutting edge there for thickness, but with that hollow ground blade, it's just going to slice a lot. So let's see what we got here. See what it does for a piece of paper, just to give you a little idea. Yeah, not a problem. Wrapping paper, yeah, as you can see, not a problem. How about some cardboard? Like nothing. That's the beauty of a hollow ground blade. And you can find these on Amazon right now. They come in different colors. They have, of course, this one here, the green with satin with the Green G10. It's got a nice little blue collar there for the end. I like that they're not going crazy with the billboarding either. They also have this in a black on black. They have this with green micarta in black, and they have a black G10 with a satin blade. Now the satin blades go for $20.90. Right now the others go for $19.90. I mean, come on. And that's free shipping from Amazon. Amazon's the only place I've seen these advertised, but they are so worth it. Even if you want to make it as a stocking stuffer for somebody, who knows? But you know what? It's such a great knife. It's not really small. It's a perfect mid-sized knife, and it's definitely up to the task. I'm sure you could beat the snot out of it and use it all you want. D2 is great steel to sharpen right up, and with the belly on that blade, and with it being hollow ground, as you can see, it's a keeper. So yeah, there you go. This is the Guardian Eagle. I'm Edgy Blades. Please like the video and subscribe. It's much appreciated, and I'm doing this for you. And I will see you guys on the next one. Take care.